Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, teman-teman, tidak bosan-bosannya saya akan terus mengupload video-video terbaru tentang pemasangan vinil. Kali ini vinil yang saya akan pasang yaitu merk khusus, produk Korea dengan ketebalan 3 mili, satu boxnya untuk 3,2 meter persegi. Maka dari itu untuk teman-teman minta dukungannya supaya channel ini bisa lebih berkembang, yaitu dengan cara subscribe, like, komen, dan share. Untuk teman-teman yang belum subscribe silahkan mulai sekarang pencet tombol subscribe-nya. Untuk lantai yang saya akan pasang vinil hari ini yaitu lantai peluran acian halus. Di video-video saya sebelumnya kebanyakan saya pasang vinil yaitu di atas lantai yang sudah di keramik atau granit. Biar gak penasaran, silakan teman-teman bisa tonton videonya dari awal sampai akhir. Apabila ada pertanyaan tentang masalah perfinilan, silakan teman-teman bisa tulis di kolom komentar. Untuk info order silakan nanti bisa kontak ke saya. Nomor saya sudah dicantumkan dalam video ini. Oke, selamat menonton.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.